Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this tutorial where we will be repairing a vertical iron with a damaged cord caused by a pet. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools: a wire stripper, electrical tape, a screwdriver, and a pair of scissors. First, unplug the iron to ensure your safety while working. We will begin by examining the extent of the damage to the cord. Look for any frayed or exposed wires that may pose a risk. Using the screwdriver, carefully remove any screws that hold the cord in place. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe spot for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the cord out from its housing. Next, you will need to strip the damaged section of the cord. Use the wire stripper to carefully remove about ½ inch of insulation from the ends of the wires. Be cautious not to cut the wires themselves. If you find the damage is too extensive, consider replacing the entire cord instead. Remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so if you're unsure, don't hesitate to reach out. Now, take the exposed wires and twist them together. For a secure connection, you can use electrical tape to wrap around the twisted wires. Ensure there are no exposed areas that could short-circuit. If you prefer a more permanent solution, you might want to solder the wires. However, for most users, electrical tape is sufficient. Once the wires are secured, it's time to reassemble the iron. Carefully guide the cord back into its housing and reattach it using the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tight and secure. Before we proceed to the next step, if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you won't have to deal with any hassle, no calls, no travel. After reassembling, plug in your vertical iron to test if the repair was successful. Check for any unusual sounds or smells. If everything looks good, you can clean the iron's sole plate with a mixture of vinegar and water to ensure it is free of any residue. Finally, if at any point during this process you feel uncertain, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. Our team is here to help you with any technical issues you might face. With these steps, you should have your vertical iron working like new again. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.